guys! Welcome back to HY's YouTube channel. And for today's video, kasama natin si Sir Chris. Ayun. And for today, i-discuss natin yung differences ng managed and unmanaged switches and how are we going to choose between the two. But before we start, if you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please consider yourself subscribing and also hit the notification bell so that ma-notify kayo whenever nag-upload ng bagong video si HY. So without further ado, let's start the video. So first, i-define muna natin kung ano ba yung network switch. So network switch is a hardware device that are used to connect devices within a network. So si network switch ay meron siyang dalawang klase. So Sir Chris, ano po ba yung klase ng network switches?
Okay, si switches is may dalawa siyang klase. So meron siyang managed switch saka unmanaged switch. So generally speaking, pag sinabi nating managed switch, so nano-manage siya. Nano-manage siya through web interface or through local GUI. Managed switch is a switch device that offers more enhanced network control features and configuration options. While si unmanaged naman is more on the plug-and-play basis sila. So pag ginamit mo si unmanaged switch is wala ka na masyadong active monitoring. So pag sinaksakan mo na yung mga ports nun, yun na you're good to go na.
So kumbaga, from the word na manage, so si manage, mas marami kang option.
Yes.
Or pwede mong i-customize yung network, ano ba sir? While si unmanaged naman guys is, yun nga sabi ni Sir, plug and play siya. So once na sinaksak mo na siya, so okay na yun, magagamit na siya.
When talking about security, unmanaged switches on the whole, meron na siyang basic security. They're secured by ensuring you have no vulnerabilities from system to system. Accessories like a lockable port cover can ensure no one is tampering with the device directly. So pag wala kang physically contact dun sa unmanaged switches, sure ka pa rin sa security niya. Si managed switch naman, meron siyang mga major security benefits. Ano yung mga yun? Pwede yung ability to monitor and control the network. Pwede ka din mag-shutdown ng active threats, tapos may protection of data, control and management plan. Within the network topology, mas enhance yung features niya pagdating sa security.
So, both devices are secured naman, no?
Yes, sir.
Pero mas enhanced lang kumbaga yung security ni managed switch.
When it comes to cost naman yung dalawa, syempre, mas iisipin natin na mas maraming benefits, mas mahal. So, si managed switch is mas
expected na mas mahal.
Expected na mas mahal siya. Pag si unmanaged naman, syempre, mas budget friendly. So, yun. Pagpipili naman kasi tayo dun sa pagdating sa dalawa, may certain factor tayo na dapat i-consider. Depende yun sa requirements ng client. Many brands of switches offer a broader or wider selection for their clients. Somehow may encounter natin na si managed switches may mga subpart pa pala. If ever may encounter natin.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin sir, if ever na-need ko ng managed switch, may isipin pa akong ibang categories?
Yes, katulad nga na sinabi ko kanina, may mga factors tayo na kailangan i-consider. Para ma-fulfill natin yung exact requirement ni client. Depende yun sa requirement ng client. Dito lalabas sila web managed switch, smart managed, saka si full managed switch.
So parang ang dami naman natin sir.
Actually, their function is still the same kasi lahat naman sila managed switches. For web managed and smart managed, wala sila masyadong pinagkaiba. Well, siguro web managed from the root word na web is pwede mo siyang i-configure via web GUI, graphical user interface sa web via Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, pwede. Tapos si smart managed naman is pwede mo siya ma-configure remotely kasi nga is smart managed. For naman, on the other hand, sa full managed switches, ang ino-offer niya is yung kayang gawin ni web saka smart managed. Dito na lumalabas yung may additional layer 2 switching and layer 3 routing, which plays an important role for enterprise businesses. So, pwede natin sabihin na if small to medium business, pwede tayong gumamit ng web managed and smart managed. Then pagdating naman sa enterprise level is yung full managed. Lahat naman ng difference ng mga switches na to is for the compliance, to avoid problems in the future, or para di ma-overkill your system. In addition to their difference, si unmanaged saka si managed switches, may mga clients kasi tayo na nagtatanong na, Sir, ano po ba mas mabilis? Is managed po ba or si unmanaged? Wala namang fundamental differences yung dalawa na nagsasabi na mas mabilis si managed or si unmanaged. Pero pwede nating i-consider na si managed kasi, meron kasi siyang function na pwede tayong mag-switch ng upper ports, pwede nating i-input upper ports niya na kung gaano yung bilis niya. So meron kasi tayong mga 10 to 100 to 1000 Mbps. Oh, yun. Si unmanaged switch ay may mas higher pa siya na version. Yung tinatawag natin na mga gigabit switches. So kasi yung mga usual na switches is nag-range na siya sa 10 to 100 Mbps na speed. So itong gigabit switches na to, nasa 1000 Mbps categories na siya. So kung yung installation mo is more than 300 meters or let's say malayuan, we recommend you to use gigabit switch for a much stable performance.
So, sir, pag malayuan lang po ba ang major selling point ng gigabit switch?
Okay, good question. Meron kasi mga installation requirements na kung minsan ay nangangailangan ng core switch, aggregation switch, and distribution switch. But for their differences, it is on another topic. So, ang mga tinatawag kasi yung mga yun na hierarchy ng network. So, meron si core, sa aggregation, then sa mga distribution switch. If ever na ang gusto mong topology is multiple switches, pwede namin i-recommend na si core switch is mag-gigabit switch ka. Core to aggregation, gigabit switch. Then pagdating mo sa distribution switch, kahit pag unmanaged, gigabit ka na. Kasi kung saan hindi tayo mag-gigabit sa core switch, may possibilities na magkaroon ng data loss sa ibang nakaload na distribution switch. Kasi from core switch, marami siyang switches pa na nakakonect sa kanya. So yun, for their prices naman, expected natin na mas expensive si gigabit switch compared sa mga hindi gigabit switch.
So gaya kanina, mas maraming advanced na feature, expected natin na mas pricey siya.
Yes.
So sir, halimbawa merong client na mag-install lang siya ng simple network installation lang. So ano po ba yung pwede mo ma-recommend sa kanila?
Siguro kung pwede nating sabihin na nagtitipid si client or gusto niya ng medyo budget bill lang na mga switches, pwede naman yung unmanaged switches kung hindi naman ganun makomplikado, kung hindi naman nila need ng mga port configuration. So kadalasan yun is sa CCTV kasi kahit unmanaged switches lang yung gamitin para if ever na plug and play lang, ganun. Siguro kung medyo ma-arty sila pagdating sa monitoring ng mga CCTV, gusto nila may binablock or may hinihiwalay sa ibang network, pwede silang mag-go sa managed switches.
Tsaka siguro depende talaga yun sir sa requirements ng client natin.
Yes.
So halimbawa, yung business nila is maliit lang. So hindi naman ibig sabihin na porket maliit, mag-go ka na agad sa unmanaged. Kasi what if you are after dun sa security? So halimbawa, may confidential na mga files or mga data sa pinatransfer. So, hindi ibig sabihin na porket small. Kasi yung unmanaged switch, di ba sir, design siya para sa mga small to medium. So, hindi naman ibig sabihin na porket small lang, mag-unmanage ka na agad. Kasi yun nga, sabi ko, what if you're after dun sa security na feature na meron si managed switch. So, depende talaga yan sa requirements ng client or requirements niyo para makapili kayo ng managed or unmanaged switch.
Sana naliwanagan kayo sa differences between the managed and unmanaged switch. Kasi kung sakaling hindi kayo naliwanagan, pwede nyo din naman ulitin yung video. Pwede i-replay. Simple lang din naman, simple differences lang din naman dalawa. Then pinanawakan natin ng paulit.
So that's it guys. So thank you so much Sir Chris for joining us today. And I hope na nagustuhan po ninyo ang video natin today. And if yes, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that ma-notify kayo whenever nag-upload ng bagong video si Richmond. So again guys, thank you so much and we'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye!
Thank you guys.